Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a panda kissing emoji, so let's get started. To draw this panda emoji, we're going to first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve for the top of the head. So we're just aiming to draw kind of like a dumpling shape. So come down here, and we're just going to come down and widen out the cheek area. Let's bring it all the way down. So about right here, we're going to get a little bit wider. And then we're going to start to bring it in. And go ahead and connect at the bottom. So the bottom is just a little bit more flatter. There, something like that, a little dumpling, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come up in this corner right here and draw an ear. So we're just gonna come about right here and just draw a curve. It's all the way up and around. And same thing on the other side, so we're just gonna drag some points across. So we have an approximate idea of where the other ear should be. So my 2 points, and from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw another curve. There. So then, you know what? I'm just going to come in here and shade this in so you can see a little bit better. Nice thing about pandas, it's just black and white, right? So don't worry if your ears are not exactly the same or in the same spot. You just want approximate. So that's why I use those points. It just makes it easier when I'm drawing. Okay, so I have the black hairs in. Now to draw the face, I'm going to come to the center, so towards the middle bottom area, so about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a little curve for the nose. And I'm going to round it off and connect it. And then I'm going to come in here and just give it a little highlight at the top, so just a little oval, and shade the rest in. There. Okay, so then let's come to the side of this nose, and we're just going to draw a big oval at a slant. So I'm going to come about right here. And don't worry, your patch right here doesn't have to look like mine. It can be anything you want. You just want an approximate little patch right here for the eyes. Something like that. Then we're going to go to the other side and draw the same thing. So this is my closest point to the nose. So I'm just going to come across about here. It's a little bit easier for me to see. And from this point, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. So approximate about right there. And once again, towards the edge. And come down. There. The 2 patches in. Now for this eye, let's come in here and I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So about right here in the center. And I'm going to go right over outside of this circle, and draw another circle. Because we have to separate it out. Give it a little white trim. And then let's make this a Drastic Cute eye. So let's come in here with 2 small highlights. So 2 circles and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. There. Okay, so then on this side, I'm going to come to this, kind of define the center of this eye and go right across. So say about right there. And I'm going to draw a winking eye. So it's just a curve and come out. So I'm just going to go in here and thicken this up. There, I got a little wink. Make this a little bit longer. Okay, so then now the kissing mouth. So I'm going to come below this the nose right here and come off to the edge a little bit. Not right underneath, but just off a little bit. And we're going to draw kind of like a 3. So 1 and 2 curves. There, and like I said, lips are all puckered up, right? And just thicken this up. And right here on the side right here, I'm going to draw a heart. So it's going to be as slant. So I'm going to, in this area, whatever you have left, just go ahead and draw a heart. And my other side. There. So that is pretty much it for this panda kissing emoji. Now to color it. So there, hope you love how my Draw So Cute Panda Kissing Emoji turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.